Hi guys, welcome back to our channel How to Log In. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to log into your Berkshire account. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, go to your browser and the default search engine. Then search Berkshire Bank Login. Then go to the first result that shows up or directly go to online.berkshirebank.com. It will then take you to the official website of Berkshire. Once the page has been loaded up, enter your username, then enter your password. To confirm your password, you can click to Show. Once you have entered your login credentials, click to Login. Then you should be able to access your Berkshire Bank account. If you have forgot your username or password, you can get help by clicking to Forgot your username or password. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.